Use economy-grade hollow-core primed doors now and plan simple upgrade steps so you save today and install premium finishes later. Start by choosing hollow-core primed doors sized to standard rough openings so replacements are straightforward. Measure each opening precisely and confirm jamb depth matches your wall thickness to avoid costly adjustments when swapping doors later. When installing, use full-length screws in the hinge jamb and shim to keep the frame square so a future solid core door will hang correctly without rework. Label each door and keep a record of swing direction and measurements to simplify ordering upgrades in the future. For visible rooms, plan to reserve budget for taller visual impact, like solid core or molded panel doors, and pre-install mortises for upgraded hardware where possible. Buy premium hardware only for the main suite and other focal doors now, if your budget allows, and use basic hardware elsewhere until you upgrade. Common mistakes include cutting openings to non-standard sizes, which makes later replacement expensive, so keep to standard sizes and note them for each room. Another issue is using short hinge screws, which lets the jamb move when a heavier door is installed later, so install long screws into framing now. A third concern is painting or finishing doors in ways that make removal difficult, so use primer only or minimal finish on economy doors and plan the final finish for the upgraded door to avoid extra labor. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse community discussions about door upgrade strategies and installation tips. We connect contractors with work opportunities and provide a discussion community where owners and tradespeople share practical advice on planning upgrade path doors.